Hey guys, Taylor here, and it's the perfect time of year to bust out those baking skills. And if you do consider yourself a baker, either amateur or professional, there is one tool that every kitchen needs, and that is a stand mixer. So there are a ton of stand mixers out there, but we've done a lot of research on this topic, and today we're going to be bringing you a review of the best 5 stand mixers that you can buy. So we're going to be breaking down a few of the features and benefits of each so you can see which might be the best choice for your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check out any updated pricing and availability for any you might be interested in. Also, if there are any special deals or discounts on any of these, I'll put that down in the description as well. Up first, we have the best overall mixer, and that's the Aucma stand mixer. Now, this is definitely the top choice on our list. It has plenty of features, and despite having a higher price point, it is worth every bit of your money based on everything that it can offer. So getting into some of those features, it does have a head that tilts, which makes it super convenient to add ingredients and check out the texture of any of your culinary creations. It has 6 different speeds, it does have a pulse option, and a powerful copper motor that runs reliably and also very quietly. It does also come in a ton of different colors so you can match your kitchen accordingly, and it has a bunch of great add-ons like a beater, a whisk, a dough hook, and that'll allow you to easily whip up any type of batter, dough, or other soft food. It does have a great splash guard in case the kitchen tends to get a little messy, so that'll keep your counter nice and clean. Also, if you are whipping up some heavier dishes, or maybe you just happen to be a Butterfingers in the kitchen, the bowl also has 2 handles, making it easier to hold and carry. Also, that bowl that I mentioned is 6.5 quart, so it'll be able to hold lots of ingredients for all of your baking needs. Moving right along, we have the best mini stand mixer, and that's the Hamilton Beach Classic Hand and Stand Mixer. Now, this is going to be a great option for those of you that have smaller kitchens or you don't have a ton of storage, and the reason for that is it's very compact. The bowl for this one is just 4 quarts, it does have 6 speeds, and also a shift and stir feature that rotates the bowl. And that's really helpful in making sure that you get every little bit of batter and you're not going to get any of those hard clumps that might stick to the sides. What's really neat about this one is because it has a small form factor, you can also remove the top part of the appliance and use it as a hand mixer. So that means it's more versatile and it gives you more options in the kitchen. There's also a great bowl rest, so if you're adding ingredients and you want to take a break, you're not going to make a mess all over your countertop. It also has a great quick burst button, and that gives you an extra little burst of power when you need it, and this one also comes with 2 dough hooks, a whisk, and 2 beaters. Next up, for those of you who have a little bit of a tighter budget and you really don't want to break the bank, we have the best budget stand mixer, and that's the Kuppet stand mixer. Now, the Kuppet stand mixer is a fantastic option, not only because of the features that it brings to the table, but also it has a great price point that's really hard to beat. It has 8 speeds, and it does have a tilt head, which gives you lots of options. It also has a wide variety of colors, so again, you're going to be able to match your kitchen accordingly. It has these really great anti-slip suction cups that'll allow you to attach it to your counter, and that's going to prevent it from sliding around, even when you're adding ingredients or removing the bowl. It also does come with a dough hook, a wire whisk, and a beater. The bowl is going to be 4.7 quarts, which gives you enough room for recipes, but it's not too large that it takes up a ton of space in your kitchen. Also, in terms of the motor, it does run fairly quietly compared to some of the others on our list. So again, if you're just looking for a great option that's not going to be overly expensive, then the Kuppet stand mixer is definitely for you. Coming in at number 4, we have the best high-capacity stand mixer, and this is the SanLidA stand mixer. Now, if you're somebody that does a lot of baking and you're always mixing up large quantities of food, then you're going to love the SanLidA stand mixer. This has an impressive bowl size at 9.5 quarts, so it's great for all of those large family gatherings, or maybe you're whipping up food for a barbecue or a potluck. It also has 10 speeds and a pulse setting for quick bursts. It also has a lot of accessories, and the bowl is dishwasher safe, so it makes it easy to clean. Those accessories I mentioned are a dough hook, a wire whip, and a beater. There's also a pouring shield, which is going to keep your clothes and countertop clean. Also, it does have a 5-year warranty, so if you have any problems with this in 5 years, you can get it replaced, no questions asked. Now, this one is a little bit on the pricier side, but if you want to get premium quality and get a larger overall mixer, then this is a great option for you. We have our best professional stand mixer, and this is for all of you pro bakers out there that really want to add a professional quality tool to your kitchen. And that is going to be the KitchenAid 6-quart Professional 600 series. Now, this is a heavy-duty machine. It can handle dense, thick mixtures, something like bread dough. It also comes in a wide variety of colors, so you're going to be able to match your kitchen exactly. The bowl is 6 quarts, and it has accessories like a dough hook, a wire whip, a beater, and a pouring shield. But the reason that this KitchenAid mixer stands out is it does have a power hub, and that allows you to attach various other appliances like a pasta maker, an electric cheese grater, and many other things. Just note that those features are sold separately. Also, it has impressive 67-point planetary mixing, which means it touches 67 parts of your mixture, really mixing together all those ingredients well. Now, like I said, this is a premium professional product and it does come at a premium price. But if you consider yourself a pro, then you deserve to have the best, and that is definitely the KitchenAid 6-quart Professional 600 series. So guys, if you are somebody that loves to bake and you're doing lots of mixing in your kitchen, you owe it to yourself to have a great stand mixer. Truly, it is an indispensable tool in the kitchen and it's gonna make your life a lot easier, and you're gonna save yourself a lot of injury by constantly mixing things by hand. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder that I'll include links to all of these products down below so you can check out any updated pricing and availability for any you might be interested in. Also, let me know any questions or comments that you have. I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video.